What up, people? Today we're making Beijing-style milk rolls with red bean paste. This is an ancient Chinese dessert which was enjoyed by the imperial family during the Qing dynasty. The original version takes way too long to make, so I'm doing a shortcut version using some pre-made ingredients. And this one only takes about 20 minutes. The ingredients are simple: some mascarpone cheese or formaggio mascarpone, some red bean paste, and some nuts. Normally, this dessert only has two layers, the cheese layer and the red bean layer, but I decided to upgrade it by adding some nuts. I think they really improved the texture and flavor of the whole dessert. So step 1, we spread the cheese onto some tin foil and smooth it out into a thick, even layer. I made a mistake here by squeezing out the extra liquid from the cheese because I saw a recipe online where people were complaining about the cheese being too runny. I do not recommend doing that, and you will see why. Step 2, we do the same thing with the red bean paste. This is some pre-made low-sugar red bean paste, which makes life so much easier. And then we pop both layers into the freezer for 5 to 8 minutes, just until they firm up a little bit. In the meantime, we can chop up the nuts and sneak a few bites of the ingredients. And once the cheese and red bean layers are slightly hardened, we take them out. Now theoretically, rolling them should be pretty easy. But because I squeezed out the liquid, the cheese crumbled. So again, please don't do that. I tried to fix it by adding a few drops of water and using my fingers to smooth it out, so the cheese became smooth again. So now we place the red bean paste onto the cheese, sprinkle some nuts on top, and start rolling. And voila! Now the most important step, we put them in our mouth. My facial expression says it all. This is easily an 8 out of 10 dessert. It is beautiful, lightly sweet, and surprisingly healthy. The crunchiness of the nuts adds a really nice contrast to the soft roll. And if you're feeling lazy, you can just mix equal parts of red bean paste and cheese in a bowl, add some nuts, and stir everything together. It'll taste pretty much the same. But of course, it doesn't look that great. Anyways, go try it, taste it, and let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching.